Before starting, it's crucial to identify your target market. Are you focusing on busy professionals, seniors, or perhaps fitness enthusiasts? Understand their specific needs and challenges. Enhance your credibility by obtaining recognized health coaching certifications. This not only builds trust but also equips you with essential skills. A solid business plan is key to your success. Outline your goals, services, and marketing strategies to create a roadmap for your business. Decide on a business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or another type. Don't forget to handle registration and obtain insurance to protect yourself. Building a strong brand identity that resonates with your target market is vital. Consider your brand's personality, colors, and messaging. In today's digital age, establishing a robust online presence through a professional website and engaging social platforms is essential. Create a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your services while remaining competitive in the market. Develop eye-catching marketing materials and strategies to attract your ideal clients. Consider leveraging online ads, social media, and local events. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Collaborate with other professionals in the health industry to build relationships and referrals.